What's up, guys? We're here at Daytona outside the International Speedway. Another beautiful day at Bike Week. It's Sunday, the day after the Supercross, and I'm ripping around on the Dyna, and I found all the factory rigs over here, so I want to show you all the factory rigs. It's a rare opportunity for civilians to see all these factory rigs up close. Just whipping around on the Dyna. It's been a beautiful day today. Stay tuned. There's lots of really cool things going on this week at Daytona. I'm going to be putting up videos of, so let's check out these rigs before they leave. They're all heading back to the next race. This is the Yoshimura Suzuki. Sorry about that. Yoshimura factory racing rig, number 11. Then we got the Monster Energy Kawasaki rigs over here. Number 66. We got the Honda factory rig, Michael Lessie Spike, HRC Honda. Honda rigs are pretty badass. The Rockstar Energy rigs. I personally think the Yamaha rig looks the most badass. We got Monster Energy Kawasaki over here. You can smell the race fuel when you go by these rigs. Nothing but race fuel. I'm running VP 110 and VP 110 and pump gas mix 50-50 in this rig. Look at that Monster Energy rig. Most of these are Featherlight trailers, same thing that NASCAR uses. You got a Kenworth and a Volvo tractor there. Pick your poison, they're all awesome. Right across from the International Speedway is the Daytona International Airport. You can fly in and be a part of the action. That's a Peterbilt, another Peterbilt. Got the Honda factory rig. Geico Team Honda's rig, factory connection. I think this one looks the most badass of all. This is a Yamaha factory rig. Kenworth. Look at this thing. That's a T680. That's what I call a dream ride right there. Look at this thing. Just beautiful. Blacked out rims. Very cool. Stay tuned, folks. God bless America.